So events, there's a lot to talk about. We did briefly mention we've got this featured events calendar right here on the page. And if you click on view events, you'll get this new calendar, events.BullheadCityAZ.gov. Events.BullheadCityAZ.gov is our primary events calendar for our featured events. Now, this is a whole new calendar that we're kind of excited about for tracking the big stuff that everyone loves and wants to know about: festivals, some of our youth programming, and our summer camp, community events, and farmers markets. So as long as the event is something that we are putting on, or something that we are a sponsor of or a contributor to in a key way, or it is a major community significance, you're going to be able to find these kinds of events on our city website. A lot of the big stuff you're going to find right here. We're going to take a moment, though, to show you some of the smaller things and some of the other places around the website that you can also find events information related to the city. So, for example, if you go to Recreation and Culture and you just go to events, right? So we've got kind of our featured events where on this page, you're going to find details and things. You'll be able to access that from here about major events happening in the community. This one's not in a calendar per se, but if you're interested in our city and you just kind of want to get an understanding about our culture and what's going on around our community, all of the events that we happen every year, we've got a place here for talking about it. So we have the farmers market every year. Every year we have our Veterans Parade. So you're not going to find specific details on this page about this year's Veterans Parade, but you're going to find information about what the Veterans Parade is and the general time of year and what it means to us as a community and the fact that we're doing it every year. So every year we have kind of a Christmas festival. This year we're calling it the Magic of Christmas. So you can get some information about that here. Our holiday shootout, Golden Games, Summer Camp, Splash Bash. You can get that kind of information right here on the website.